What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can fix the Duolingo app icon looking dead. So let's get started. Now Duolingo recently updated their app icon appearance to this new icon right here, and that's because they're running currently a marketing campaign that revolves around the Duolingo owl being dead. So that's why they changed the app appearance. Now let's see how we can fix this. So first you can just try and opening your Duolingo app, then go to your streak right here and just scroll down a bit. Now here you will be able to see the new app icon or your streak icon. So if you have a streak on Duolingo, you would be able to turn on this icon and that way replace the new one if you're annoyed by the new app's appearance. So just go ahead and click turn on right here and click restart app. Now in a few moments this app it will change to this, as you can see right here. So this is the first way. Now this is the only way for the Android devices, but if you have an iOS or an iPhone device, you would be able to go to Google and just download the old app appearance and just change it in your app settings. So that's guys how you can change the Duolingo app having access in its eyes and being dead to the old Duolingo app icon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.